Well, I've got good news and bad news. Good news is my emergency flasher works. So it's flashing if you can't tell. Bad news is, well, my headlights work. Daylights, headlights. Okay, but I still, and I don't know if I need to have the ignition to start or not, but still, there's now, and I figured out why it won't stay, because my entire column turns, which isn't good, so I may need to tighten this up. I think that's what I need to tighten. See? It's been rotating. You see this smooth spot? People watching me. It feels weird. So this isn't fixed. It's still broken. My windshield wipers work though. Well, this is frustrating. I can't see the contacts in there. I don't know why it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work, YouTube? Tell me! Oh, and I couldn't connect the wire for this up for some reason. It wouldn't reach anymore. I gotta fix that. I don't even think. Nope, my horn doesn't work anymore either. There's a lot of stuff I gotta do. Alright guys, see you next time.